finally snowed a little bit. Good morning! I think this is the latest I've ever started a vlog, but happy Vlogmas! Today is day one. Uno. I'm having cookies for breakfast, because I'm an adult. Welcome to my mess. I have to clean all of this up somehow before lunchtime. It's probably not as bad as it looks. I filled your bowl. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Anyone else remember NSYNC in their prime? 5, 6 scoops. I think Rory's almost asleep, and that is great. Oh, my hair is in the way. It's in the way. Mariska Hargitay. Merry Christmas. I am so sorry. Oops. Fucking raisins. What? Okay, cups. That was scary. Okay, dokie. I've got this Christmas themed parchment paper courtesy of Dollarama. Comme ça. This dough has been chilling all night. Okay. Good Lord. You know what? I'll tell you what. Okay, a little bit of flour on here and everywhere. Am I dumb? I am. Hold your horses. Try this again. I know what I'm doing, I swear. In little bits. Here. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Ah, fuck. Aha. Yeah. Yeah. There's something so sexy about it just staying in the cookie cutter and being able to just gently push it out. I'm done with this. Good, perfect. What is that? A dog hair? I don't know. These are just for me. Let's, little PSA, little reminder to everybody. Don't worry about the dog hair. It will only be going in mine and my family's mouths. Oven! Don't do that. You're making me nervous, cookies. Timer for... No! Dues minutes. Start. Boop. These babies are out of the oven. They need to cool before I can put icing on them, obviously. These are perfect. Some might say these are not baked enough, but I like cookie dough. Lunch of champions today. I'm having just some cheese pizza pops. I will only be eating 2 of these. I got 2 packs out because when Rory wakes up, he's going to want lunch. So I'm going to make him one of these and then I guess just throw the other one in the fridge for when we need probably lunch tomorrow, realistically. Healthy meals. So we just got back from a car ride and he won't let me take his boots off. And he's carrying around his shoes. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate these. Some of them were eaten. I've got this icing. Decorating icing, to be exact. Butter knife. Yeah, excuse the bag of meat here. That is thawing for dinner. Cool. Look, this was the broken one. Not broken. It's got a bit of a scar from where its head was ripped off brutally. I may have put too much icing on this one. Is there such a thing? These are not going to look like Christmas trees, by the way, because although I do have green food coloring, I did not use it. Oh no! Oh good, Rockabye Your Bear, because I haven't heard that song 100 times today. Shh, shh, shh. I don't think that extra lick of icing fell into my calories today, but whatevs. And then you turn around, yippee! Dog, dog, dog. Dog, dog, rockabye your dog, dog. Okay, there's 4 colors here, so I'm going to do 1 in each color, I suppose. Ooh, in there, yeah. Multi-trees. Too much sprinkles, oh shit. These aren't Christmassy. I failed on the holiday colors, but they look like trees. Okay, so he's working on going for a nap, believe it or not. Why is it so blurry? I need some socks because upstairs is cold. I am the epitome of fashion. I've been working on nails for so long now that it is now dark outside. 2 days is going to take me to make what to you guys will be tomorrow's video. So right now, a little sneaky peeky peek. I'm making some nails. Ooh. I'm actually doing 2 sets. This is only 1, so you're not going to see any sneak peeks of the second set, but oh my goodness. Is that hollow? What? This isn't even the whole set either, so there's a couple nails missing from this with some different art. It's in the next couple videos. You're gonna see this. Winter nail art. Keep an eye out for it. Christmas baking. You're cute. The neighbors know what they're doing. Merry Chrysler. Please tell me about cheese. I was concerned that I got stuff to make meatballs and then didn't buy cheese. I did! Oh, there's like a tiny chunk in the middle that's still frozen. Meat slushy. Mm. If you're happy and you know what make a meatball. If you're happy and you know what makes a meatballs.
If you're happy and you know what eats your meatballs.
Perfect amount. Do.
Rice, baby.
No. Everyone's so upset. Ah! Ow. Ow. Oh. I burned myself on the rice. Do you use tomato juice for anything? Who? Me. Yes. I'm putting a whole bag of cheese. Whole bag of cheese. Winston. Pulling. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because it is cold and dark and it is almost my bedtime. Happy first day of Vlogmas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Oh, I'm disappearing. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. If you want to, I'm not here to tell you what to do. And I am almost invisible. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.